Yo, what's up, Hacksplosion fam? It's your boy, CR7, here to break down some game-changing moves for you. We've all been there. You get the ball, the crowd's roaring, then bam! 3 defenders are on you like a fresh coat of paint. Most players panic, try to force something, and end up losing the ball. Not today. Football is as much about your mind as it is about your feet. These 5 moves will give you the skills and the confidence to outsmart any defender, escape pressure, and create scoring opportunities. Let's do this. Alright, first up, we're tackling that feeling we all hate. Stuck on the sideline, defenders breathing down your neck. It's a recipe for disaster, right? Wrong. This is your chance to turn the tables. Don't even think about dribbling out of this one. Use your body, shield the ball, back into the defender, feel their weight. Now look for your escape route. A simple pass relieves the pressure and keeps possession. As soon as you make the pass, explode out of that trap. Make a run down the line, cut inside, lose your marker. Use the sideline to your advantage, stay calm, and turn a defensive nightmare into an offensive opportunity. Next up, we're hitting the corner flag. You know the feeling, boxed in, defenders swarming, nowhere to go. But guess what? They think they've got you trapped, which makes them vulnerable. This is where a little bit of trickery goes a long way. Watch the defender closest to you. As they commit to closing you down, that's your cue. A simple feint, a drop of the shoulder, even a quick look in the opposite direction can be enough to get them off balance. As soon as you see them shift their weight, exploit that space. You might not have a clear shot on goal, but you've created chaos, and that's your advantage. A corner can be a trap, but with the right mindset, it can also be the start of something special. Okay, let's talk about midfield pressure. You're in the middle of the pitch, the ball drops to your feet, and suddenly you're surrounded. 3 defenders, all hungry for the ball, all closing in fast. It's intimidating, right? But don't panic. Remember, you don't have to beat all of them, you just need to find a way out. Protect the ball, keep it close, use your body to shield it, and get ready to react. Scan the field quickly. Is there a teammate open? A quick, decisive pass is always the best option. If there's no clear passing lane, don't force it. Control the ball away from pressure, turn your body, and face the open space. Once you break free, keep the pressure on. Drive forward with purpose, draw defenders towards you, and create space for your teammates. Now, let's talk about one of the most intimidating situations in football, the 3 versus 1 breakaway. You're streaking towards goal, the crowd's going wild, and then you see them 3 defenders, all between you and the goal. It's enough to make even the most experienced striker hesitate. But here's the thing, fear can be a powerful motivator. Use it to your advantage. The defenders are expecting you to panic, to rush your shot. Instead, stay calm, keep your head up, and assess your options. A slight hesitation, a feint towards goal, even the threat of a shot can be enough to freeze them for a split second. A quick change of pace, a burst of acceleration, a well-timed pass to a teammate. These are the moments that turn defenders into spectators and goal scorers into legends. Finally, let's talk about the edge of the box, that pressure cooker where games are won and lost. You've worked hard to get here, you're so close to goal, but the defenders are like shadows, closing down every angle. Don't let the pressure get to you. Your first priority is control. Keep the ball close, use your body to shield it, and don't be afraid to take a touch, even if it means going backwards. The defenders are expecting you to shoot, to make a mistake. Don't give them the satisfaction. Watch their feet, look for any sign of a challenge. If they lunge in, be ready to ride the tackle, to draw contact. A penalty in this situation is as good as a goal, and even if the referee doesn't point to the spot, a free kick in a dangerous area is a great opportunity to test the goalkeeper. Patience is key here. Wait for the right moment, and when it comes, make it count. So there you have it, Hacksplosion fam. 5 moves to outsmart any defender, escape pressure, and create scoring opportunities. Remember, football is as much about your mind as it is about your feet. Next time you're trapped, don't panic. Stay calm, use your body, use your brain. Now get out there, practice these moves, and show those defenders who's boss. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Hacksplosion for more game-changing tips.